Constructing a Model of Mathematical Literacy by Kelsey Weimer. According to David Puglia, it is essential to create a standard definition of math literacy. There are many advantages to defining mathematical literacy. First, it aligns standards across school districts and states. It is important for there to be structure in terms of creating a working definition of the literacy demands in math. Second, it allows educators to better determine what skills demonstrate mathematical proficiency. Third, a definition of mathematical literacy would improve math education in the classroom by better providing greater access to the school curriculum. Finally, it prepares our students for real-life situations. Puglia summarizes all of these ideas by claiming the charge to create a coherent vision of mathematical literacy has far-reaching implications, in that the success of efforts to enact change hinges on the extent to which this goal is realized. To better understand the components of mathematical literacy, Puglia uses a model featuring two concentric circles. The larger outer circle is made up of the four processes of mathematical literacy. The inner circle represents the enablers to mathematical literacy, or forms of literacy that facilitate doing math. One of the processes of mathematical literacy is representing. This involves the skills that enable students to construct and alternate between various forms of mathematical models. Students should be skilled at using many different methods of representing concepts, such as graphs, models, diagrams, and equations. Additionally, it is crucial in the application of math to everyday problems. Second, manipulating involves successfully applying procedures to perform calculations. The ability to manipulate is essential to math literacy, and it extends beyond manual calculations afforded by technology. Third, reasoning involves having students make hypotheses, gathering evidence to support it, and finally building an argument to support mathematical decisions. In elementary school, this would take the form of informal thinking that is intended to promote sense-making. In middle school, students need to be able to apply inductive and deductive reasoning while paying special attention to relationships. When students reach high school, they should be making and testing conjectures. Finally, problem solving is the culmination of the other three components. It requires finding a solution for something that lacks an apparent solution. The ability to use math to problem solve is the primary goal of mathematical literacy. Finally, according to Puglia's model of mathematical literacy, there are three enablers. First, communication is an essential component for conceptual thinking. It encourages reasoning and problem solving. Additionally, writing in math facilitates metacognition. Second, technology is a key component of modern-day mathematical literacy. Despite the debate regarding the use of calculators in math classrooms, research actually shows that they facilitate higher-order thinking. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, values determines a student's emotions, attitudes, and beliefs towards math. The learner must appreciate the value of mathematics not just in the classroom, but also in society. Although this model gives a relatively general definition of mathematical literacy, it is an important step towards creating more dialogue regarding what is important in the teaching and learning of mathematics.